Have you ever wondered how a luxury handbag, often made of simple leather or canvas, could cost thousands of dollars? The truth is, the price tag rarely reflects the actual cost of materials or craftsmanship. It's an illusion carefully crafted by luxury brands. They want you to believe that their products are inherently more valuable. Don't be fooled. The high price is often a result of marketing, brand prestige, and a hefty dose of markup. Let's take a closer look at the reality behind the glamorous facade. Luxury brands have mastered the art of creating a perception of exclusivity and desirability. They use sophisticated advertising campaigns, celebrity endorsements, and limited edition releases to drive up demand. This allows them to charge exorbitant prices that have little to do with the actual production cost. The truth is, many of these bags are mass-produced in factories overseas, using materials and labor that are far from luxurious. The high price you pay is more about buying into a brand name and an image than acquiring a truly well-made and exclusive product. Many luxury brands, despite their claims of heritage and exclusivity, have shifted a significant portion of their production to countries like China. This move allows them to take advantage of lower labor costs and less stringent manufacturing regulations. While some may argue that this is simply globalization at work, the reality is that it often comes at the expense of quality and ethical production. The factories in China that produce these luxury goods often operate under conditions that would be considered unacceptable in Western countries. Workers may face long hours, low wages, and unsafe working environments. The irony is that these same brands often tout their commitment to ethical sourcing and fair labor practices. However, the reality of their production methods tells a different story. This disconnect between brand image and actual production practices raises serious questions about the true value of luxury goods. When you purchase a luxury handbag, you may be unknowingly supporting a system that exploits workers and prioritizes profits over ethical considerations. Ever notice how celebrities always seem to be carrying the latest luxury handbags? It's no accident. Luxury brands have long recognized the power of celebrity endorsements. They shower celebrities with free products, including those coveted handbags, in exchange for the implicit endorsement that comes with being photographed with their brand. These celebrities become walking billboards for luxury brands. When fans see their favorite stars sporting a particular handbag, it creates a powerful association between the brand and desirable qualities like glamour, success, and exclusivity. This, in turn, fuels consumer demand and justifies the exorbitant prices. The problem is that this marketing tactic creates a false sense of value. The average consumer, bombarded with images of celebrities carrying these luxury bags, may feel pressured to keep up with the trend. They fail to realize that the celebrities are often not paying for these products. They are being used as pawns in a sophisticated marketing game. Section 4, the Artistry of Handmade, a labor of love and skill. In stark contrast to the mass-produced, celebrity-endorsed world of luxury handbags, there is a growing movement celebrating the artistry and authenticity of handmade bags. These bags are not churned out on factory assembly lines. They are meticulously crafted by skilled artisans who pour their heart and soul into every stitch and detail. Handmade bags are often one-of-a-kind creations, imbued with the unique touch of the artisan who made them. They tell a story not of a brand or a celebrity, but of the individual craftsperson's skill, creativity, and dedication. When you purchase a handmade bag, you are not just buying a product. You are investing in a piece of art, a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Handmade bags also offer a refreshing alternative to the fast fashion culture that has come to dominate the fashion industry. They are built to last, crafted from high-quality materials and designed to withstand the test of time. Owning a handmade bag is about embracing quality over quantity, durability over disposability. Section 5, Price Transparency, Handmade versus Luxury, a side-by-side comparison. One of the most compelling arguments in favor of handmade bags is the transparency of pricing. Unlike luxury brands that rely on opaque pricing structures, handmade bag makers are often upfront about the costs involved in creating their products. Let's break it down with a side-by-side comparison. Luxury handbag retail price, $5,000. Estimated production cost, materials and labor, $200. Marketing and celebrity endorsements, $2,000. Brand markup and retail profit, $2,800. Handmade handbag, retail price, $500. Material cost, $100. Labor cost, based on fair wages and hours, $250. Artisans profit, $150. As you can see, the price of a luxury handbag is heavily inflated by marketing, celebrity endorsements, and brand markup. In contrast, the price of a handmade bag reflects the actual cost of materials, fair labor, and the artisan's skill and time. Section 6, Beyond the Hype, the true value of your choice. The choice between a handmade bag and a luxury bag is about more than just aesthetics or price. It's a statement about your values and priorities. When you choose a handmade bag, you are supporting small businesses, independent artisans, and ethical production practices. You are rejecting the hype and exclusivity of luxury brands in favor of authenticity, craftsmanship, and a more conscious approach to fashion. Instead of chasing after fleeting trends and status symbols, consider investing in pieces that speak to your personal style and values. Choose quality over quantity, uniqueness over uniformity, and support the artisans who are keeping the tradition of handmade craftsmanship alive. Section 7, Empowering Artisans, Empowering Ourselves. By choosing handmade bags, we not only gain beautiful and well-crafted pieces, but also contribute to a more ethical and sustainable fashion industry. We empower artisans to earn a fair wage, preserve traditional skills, and share their creativity with the world. It's time to shift our focus from the allure of luxury brands to the true value and artistry found in handmade goods. Let's make conscious choices that support independent creators, promote ethical practices, and celebrate the beauty of handmade craftsmanship.